Hello viewers, today, we'll show you how to print a stock month-end balance using SQL accounting software. The stock month-end balance is used to check your stock quantity and total cost at the end of the month. Here's a scenario. You need to know how much stock you have left and its total cost at month-end, and then update it to maintain stock value for GL financial reporting purposes. Let's begin. First, select the date. Next, you can filter your stock month-end by stock group, item, and location. Then, click Apply, choose the appropriate report format, and click Preview. You can now print out the stock month-end balance report. Finally, click the Update button, and the system will help post the closing stock value to maintain stock value, based on the selected date period. And that's it. We've successfully completed a stock month-end balance report. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.